It's unstable.
We can't start lifting until we pull it back, pull it back.
Dump it there. Watch the edge, it's soft.
Coming down, secure that side. All right, moving it now.
Firm, bringing it back.
To the deck, start swinging right.
Tension on the guide rope. Watch the chute, slow it down. Bring that.
Reading steady at point B, data matches the projection. Good.
Keep monitoring. We did it! Look at the stress fractures on Pier 4. It's unstable.
We can't start lifting until we secure that section. Pull it back, pull it back. Okay, clear the zone now. Watch that rebar.
Keep going to the right. All right, dump it there. Watch the edge, it's soft.
Little to the left, hold it. Coming down, secure that side. Bring it to the left, hold the pressure steady. All right, moving it now. Keep an eye on that rebar.
Is that level yet?
Yeah, that's good. Mark it.
Confirmed, bringing it back.
Is it clear of the truck? Affirmative, clear the deck. Start swinging right. Is it clear of the truck? Affirmative, clear the deck. Start swinging right.
All right, bring it in slow, watch the alignment. Tension on the guide ropes, hold it steady.
She's connected.
Keep it moving. Watch the chute, slow it down. Bring that screed over here. Truck 1 is clear to move to the next marker.
Reading steady at point B, data matches the projection. Good.
Keep monitoring the fiber optic sensors as the load shifts. Yeah! We did it!